All right, looking at number 29, I'm going to want to solve for x first because I have more information about x. I have a piece of information here, a piece of information here, and a piece of information here. But if you see with y, I only have one piece and I can't set a y equal to an x. So I'm going to want to deal with the x's first. And I notice that this x right here is the mid segment because I have two equal parts here and two equal parts here. So therefore, this x is the mid segment to this right here. So if you can kind of look at it like this triangle right here, this is the mid segment. So we know that two of these equals one of those. So we'll just do that algebraically by saying 2x is equal to 3x minus 6. And we can subtract the 2x over, leaving us with 1x. Add 6 to both sides. X is equal to 6. In order to solve for y, this y right here, I'm actually going to do that in a different color. We know that y is the mid segment here because of these two equal marks and these two equal marks, and this is our base. So we need to plug in for x here, and we can say we already found that x was 6, so 2 times x of 6 plus 1, 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 equals 13. So this equals 13. So 2 of these equals 13. So therefore 2y is equal to 13. Divide both sides by 2, making y 6.5. All right, so this one also asks us to solve for x and y. So I noticed my equal congruent marks here and here, making this the mid segment of this right here. So again, I know 2 of these equals one of those, so let's set that up algebraically. So 2 times x becomes 2x, and 2 times 23 becomes 46. And that's going to equal this angle right here of 6x plus 11. So we can move our 2x over by subtracting it. And then we can subtract 11 over. 6 minus 1 is 5, 4 minus 1 is 3. And divide both sides by 4, and 35 divided by 4 gives us 8.75. So x is 8.75. And now let's take a look at our y's, and I'm going to do that in a different color so you can see that. Okay, so notice that this and this both are hanging out with this guy, indicating that they're both equal. So what we're going to do is set them equal to each other. So 2y plus 6 is equal to 3y minus 9. And we can subtract our y over. Add 9 to both sides. So 15 is equal to y.